Hello, dear students. I am your social studies teacher. Before I begin, let me ask you a few questions. What are the various landforms of India? Mountains, plains, plateaus, islands. Which is the most suitable landform for human habitation? Plains. Which landform is hard for plant and animal life to exist? Desert, because of the barren land. So let's begin our lesson now. The Great Indian Desert. A desert is a barren area of landscape covered with sand. It has very little or no rainfall. The Great Indian Desert, also called the Thar Desert, extends from the run of Kutch to the borders of Haryana. Rajasthan is the only state in India which has a desert. The Aravalli Hills divide Rajasthan into two parts. The eastern part is quite fertile, while the western part is rocky and sandy. The river Chambal flows in the eastern part. The desert region remains hot and dry throughout the year. In summers, the nights are cool and the days are hot. In winters, the days are warm and the nights are very cold. There is very little rainfall in this region because of the Aravalli Hills. In deserts, wind shifts sand from one place to another to form small mounds called sand dunes. Sometimes strong winds blow away the sand with great speed. They are called the sandstorm. The winds cause great damage to the soil. They blow away the topsoil. This type of damage is called soil erosion. Trees do not grow in the desert because the climate is very hot and dry and it has very little rainfall. Palm, babul, cactus, and thorny kikar are found in desert as these plants require little water. The farmers grow wheat, gram, jowar, and bajra on their fields. The government has set up our country's largest wheat farm at Suratgarh. An oasis is a place in a desert where water is found. The Rajasthan Canal brings water from river Satluj to large parts of the Indian desert. Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan is India's largest salt lake. The camel is called the ship of the desert. It has padded feet due to which it can easily walk on sand. By destroying forests and allowing overgrazing by animals, we are increasing the desert area. People in desert move from one place to another in search of water and also to sell milk products, animal skin and handicrafts. They are called nomads. Even today, people move across the desert in groups with camels called a caravan. People speak Rajasthani, a dialect of Hindi. Both men and women cover their heads to protect themselves from the scorching heat of the sun and sandstorms. Tej and Ganga are festivals in which women take part heartily. Ghumar dance is the famous folk dance performed by women on festive occasions. Famous places of tourist attraction are Udaipur and Jaipur. Hawa Mahal and Amber Fort at Jaipur and cities of Jodhpur and Bikaner are well known. Alwar and Chittor are historical cities. Mount Abu is a hill station of Rajasthan. Many devotees visit the Dargah at Ajmer as well as the Pushkar Lake near Ajmer. Raja Jai Singh was the founder of Jaipur. It is called the Pink City as most of the buildings here are pink in color. Thank you for watching the video.